So we got a water leak here, and I'm gonna try to get it fixed. So right there is a leak. Been leaking for a while. So I'm gonna crawl under there and see if I can get that thing fixed. I'm waiting for a flashlight.
We from the country, it's the only place for me. Cornbread and fried okra and soup beans. All my country boys who raised in the South, who's living the life and not running their mouth. Throw it up, it's time to kick back. It's been a long day at work, and that's that. Breaking my back, but I'm barely getting by. But a country boy will always survive.
Eating green beans straight out of the cans. Look at us go in the old Ford. Always got a can of Copenhagen Kenneth. Brother, you don't understand the struggles in the South. Cruising down the road, always dodging them potholes. People always thought we were bad. We just speed going down the road, no seatbelt on. Back to shoot a big buck. We just a bunch of country boys. Always have a jug of sweet tea. Always munching on for bread going down the road. Say yeah if you're country. Always going horsebacking on the back of a horse. Got a bunch of guns in the back of the truck, and that's how country boys survive.
Down them country roads is where you gotta go. In that four-wheel drive, that's my life. Down them country roads is where you gotta go. In that four-wheel drive, that's my life.
Boy, I'm telling you, you try to come down here down my road.
Now we'll turn the water back on and test it out.
My property, I got a bar, I'm ready for you. I got a shotgun.
So this, what the problem is. You see on the inside where it's leaking. So that's a quick way of fixing a water leak, is them sharp bites. They work great. I love them things. They're a little pricey, but if you have to take them back off, you can you know, take them back off. Yeah. But yeah, that leak's fixed. That was a quick, fairly easy fix. Close. I didn't have to go that far under the house. So Hillbilly has sent me up here. He called me Bob the plumber, and so I'm up here in Tunnel Hill doing some plumbing, and he wanted me to make a video. So okay, I got the water off. Okay, we'll go at it, but y'all stay continued.